hostess with the mostest, and you already know I'm back again with yet another video. Guys, it is early in the morning, but today is a big day for Ghana. It's a big day for, I want to say, West Africa, okay? It is what we are calling on the streets the Jollof Wars, Ghana versus Nigeria. Everybody's excited. As you can see, I'm in my World Cup t-shirt, but I'm going to change to be in the Ghana t-shirt. But right now it's early. I'm in Accra Mall. We're about to set off. I'm with an amazing group, Bezu Susu. And they're going to take me all the way to Kumasi because it's about to go down. So make sure you stick and stay. Don't go anywhere. Another episode of Moments. Come with me. Halfway through the journey, we're on our first pit stop. I got some guys here. How you guys doing? Good. How you guys feeling about the show? Well, how you guys feeling about today's match?
We are motivated.
We're repping. They're repping.
Motivated. We are repping 2-1. This one we predicted.
Yeah, 2-1.
2-1 against
I believe 2-1. 1-1. 2-1. 2-1. I think 2-1 too. I think 2-1.
I'm taking over the show now.
2-1 to Ghana. We go. It's official. We have touched down in Kumasi. Listen, there's no way that we can come to Kumasi without a wonderful welcome with the traditional proper fufu. If you come to Kumasi and you haven't eaten fufu, then you haven't really come to Kumasi, have you? We're about to line our bellies and get ourselves ready because we have got a big game ahead of us.
No, chill right. Come and see my beautiful room that I'm going to be staying in Ike Cultural Village. I literally just love it. After the fufu, you guys know, if the fufu was good, it means you're going to nap properly. So I'm going to have a quick nap, needed to free myself a bit. But let me give you a quick tour. Firstly, this is where I'm going to be staying. I'm loving the artwork over here, guys. Look at this African feel. You feel like, you're in a real, hut with the cloth over here. I'm loving the bamboo that is used on the wardrobes, the ceiling, the lights. I mean, look, all of this space. I wish I was staying here for a week, but I don't know what's more favorite, the bed or the bathroom. Like, come and check this out, guys. Look at this. I feel like I'm in a real hut with the stone, everything. Like, this is just amazing. I can't wait to have a shower over here. So yes, this is gonna be where I am for the night. They gave us a fridge, cool my multi-gin goodness. But I need to get a quick drink before I fall asleep. So let's see if we can find my friend Kingsford, and maybe he can help give us a quick tour of the place. Come on, let's go. Kingsford! Hey guys, meet my bestie Kingsford. He's been looking after me. He's really, really good over here at, you know, how are you? Good. Yes, I am. So, Kingsford, tell us a little bit about here. First, I've seen these beautiful turtles. Oh, wow. How many turtles do you have here? 23. Oh, my gosh. Oh, okay.
So everything here has a meaning.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Give me a quick one about maybe this one.
This one, it talks about the unity.
Okay.
Yeah. And this one in our local dialect, we call it wonsum. So you need people to do something to get the job done.
Wonsum, wunenipa. Hey!
That's why they are all helping people that.
I love it.
So everything here has a meaning. And the this shows the beauty of an African woman.
Yes, we are beautiful indeed. Okay. I like that.
And here is our reception.
Okay.
Since here is a culture, everything here is culture.
Oh, guys, look at this. I love it. Adding cross symbols everywhere, culture everywhere, and they are still protocols. Look at that.
Before you touch everything here, say the COVID protocols are still in observance. That one.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at these. Is this real gold over here?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm loving this, guys, with the kente.
This kente, it was given to our mommy by his mother.
Oh, wow.
Our mommy used this one to represent the image of his mother here. So, and then I was told by her that the Otumfo or said the first when you go to the Atlanta, America, this the kente
That is there as well. Oh, nice. Okay, so how many rooms do you have here?
We have 11 rooms in all. We have standard room, deluxe, twin room, and apartment.
Okay,
Yeah.
lovely.
And then the prices are very, very affordable.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll put the prices there for you guys. Let's see what else Ike's Village has. This place is beautiful. I love the giraffes.
And we also have the cooking class.
Oh, there's a cooking class here.
Yes,
Ah,
we do.
you can learn to cook here.
Yeah. Here is
Oh
our
my
cooking class.
gosh.
So you come here.
Very bohemian, guys.
Yeah.
I love this. And those pots, you know, sometimes I saw them when I went to Morocco.
You want to know how the local food is being prepared. It's here that we take you to. We prepare all the local dishes here. Yeah.
What's your favorite local dish?
My favorite local dish is
Honestly, I wanted to try a bunu bunu and I didn't get some. They were finished. Means I have to come again. Let's go.
so you go to the Ike's shop.
Okay. So how long has this place been open?
For about 2 years.
Oh, wow. Ike's
Okay,
shop.
Let's get it from here.
This place is beautiful and it's big. Oh, wow.
Here is our
Look at all of these oils. Neem oil, moringa oil, baobab oil. Lovely black soap.
get shea butter soup.
Mm-hmm. You can.
We have here beads.
Mm-hmm.
We have here sponge bags.
All of these
We have
paintings.
Asgari here
Oh,
too.
wow. Look at this. Hey, come and get your
Yeah.
sapon.
Sapon. We have this one too. This is also sapon.
It's a hard one.
Yeah, that's the native one.
Okay.
In those days, our great grandfathers uses this one when there is no sponge like this. They use this in conjunction with the black soap.
Oh, wow.
So here, since as the name goes, here is a culture base. So here is a member here. When you come here, the things our great grandfather used to do in those days.
Yeah, we
are
do
trying to-
them here.
We do them here.
I love
So
that.
you can see here, you call this one
wow.
a potoriwa.
Oh, Potoriwa.
Yes.
I needed to buy one of these.
Yes.
How much are you selling this one for?
We sell this one 25 cedis.
And this one?
yeah,
The
same,
set?
Yeah.
Oh,
The two
nice.
are the 25 cedis. And then we have here the herbs. In those days, our fathers don't go to hospital. They just take the roots of the trees and they boil it.
And drink
yes,
it.
We have some here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so the tradition goes on.
You're
We
providing
have
for
here
everything.
Some of the musical instruments.
Hey, bam, bam,
Yes,
eat.
we pour this one to Sansan. Yes.
Ding 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 ding.
And then we have ritual here too.
Hey. Hey. Ding ding ding. Let's go.
So that is it.
There's a lot of things
See the
here.
shea butter. Did you see the shea
I
butter?
saw the shea butter, the black soap, everything. Ike's Village Cultural Shop has got everything that you need. So even if you forget your toothbrush, your soap, they have got you covered with all of that stuff too. So that's amazing.
We have everything here.
I love it. Oh, I wish I could stay here forever, guys. And then around here, I guess this is where we come and eat. So, guys, you guys can continue your tour.
I didn't show you the massage. We have
You missed breakfast, we're late now. But tomorrow I'll come and eat here. All of this breakfast, I'm gonna get a drink of water and we shall see you guys. Right guys, so I'm gonna have a drink, go back to my comfortable bed to have a nap, and the next time you see me, it's gonna be time for the match. Go Ghana!
gosh, guys, it's getting intense. Oh, it's getting We've got a few minutes to half time, but Ghana's playing well. Well done, Ghana. Let's get that 2-1. Oh my gosh, guys, so it's half time right now. I'm telling you, the atmosphere in here is like electrifying. Like, yo, my heart is like boom boom ta. Okay, so I'm saying, hey girl, how you guys? Hi guys. I'm actually very scared. Yes. Because I feel like we both have chances, but then we should have at least scored about 5 goals. And literally, we should already. We had quite a few chances, guys. We had quite a few chances. But Ghana is playing well. I can't deny. I think today they are playing well. I think it's because whoever who loses, that means their jollof sucks. So far, what do you think the goals? Now that you've watched the first half, what do you think the score's going to be? 5-0. Yeah, we still stand by it. Jollof back, jollof. Come on. Ghana jollof back. India jollof. Come on. Just like that, the game is over. We've been anticipating Ghana versus Nigeria for so long, and I mean, it's ended at a 0-0. Oh my goodness. Honestly, we had so many opportunities, Ghana, to score, but we didn't. But it's okay because we still have another chance next week. But for now, they did well. They weren't terrible. They did okay. I'm feeling bittersweet. I was hoping that, you know, my trip to Kumasi wasn't going to be for no reason, but I still had fun. The atmosphere is so much different than watching it on the screen in the local chop bar. Guys, I encourage you guys to make sure at least once in your lifetime, come and watch a Ghana match live. This was my first one, and it was amazing. Ghana, well done. We'll see how well we do on the next week.